want to add this also to the mix, that there's a new generation that loves you the most because of Miss Marvel as well. Let's say that because Miss Marvel का एक पूरा there's like a fan club जो हमारे सेट पे भी है जो सुबह से चल रहा है. People are going crazy, but that's
the magic of
but
being a part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Yeah, but you अभी मिस मार्वल जो बनी है, जो मतलब चल रही है, जो सुपर गर्ल है, क्या है उसका नाम?
सुपर गर्ल
नहीं, उसके बाद भी जो द मूवीज सुपर गर्ल एंड दिस एंड दैट, बट यू आर द start where everything started. So
yes,
ये सब आप से origin आप है. So how does that happen? Like ये कैसे हुआ? अचानक we got a surprise. ये क्या हो रहा है? It is so cool to watch.
Okay, the beauty of that story, Miss Marvel, was that it was for the first time a brown Muslim superhero की कहानी थी, और I'm glad that they were looking for actors who are South Asian to play those roles, क्योंकि उसमें दिखाना था partition का एक पूरा sequence था और सारा कुछ था. So they were actually auditioning a lot of actresses from Pakistan as well as India. और मुझे जब आया ऑडिशन के लिए, उन्होंने भेजा कि ये आप रिकॉर्ड करके सेल्फ टेप भेज दें. I did, and within like a few hours I got a call from them saying कि we want to connect to your management, to your representation, whoever they are, we want to finalize. And then और ये वो टाइम था जब कोविड था,
कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था,
पीक पे था. No one was even leaving their houses, और मैं थाईलैंड में बैठी हुई थी पूरे शूट के साथ with a Hollywood crew. तो बहुत ही amazing pinch me moment था वो when I got casted for that role. और आयशा का role was not just any other kind of a
but I'm glad कि हमारे
so much to it.
Yeah, sorry I'm cutting you off, but I'm glad that we had like some representation out there. And I saw you few of your interviews in the US that I think you were promoting Miss Marvel as well, where you spoke very right about the misrepresentation of Pakistani people. चाहे हम बॉलीवुड में देखें या हम हॉलीवुड में देखें, वेस्ट में देखें, there is a lot that they need to understand कि हमारे यहाँ कैमल्स नहीं होते, मतलब गाड़ियाँ भी हैं, हम गाड़ियों में भी चलते हैं, हमारे यहाँ भी एसी है, हमारे यहाँ भी लोग खाना खाते हैं,
and we are like we roam around wearing jeans.
Yeah, exactly. There's nothing alien about us. बट हमें पोर्ट्रे ऐसे ही करते हैं एलियन के, एक टोपी और शलवार कमीज और झंडियाँ लगी हुई और ये हमारा पाकिस्तान है. एग्जैक्टली. सो हमारे यहाँ भी प्रोग्रेसिव लोग हैं, कुछ कंजर्वेटिव भी है ऑब्वियसली, बट हम साथ लेके चलते हैं. एंड यू स्पोक अबाउट दैट. सो हाउ वाज द रिस्पांस फ्रॉम द अदर साइड व्हेन दे हर्ड यू?
Oh yeah, so I had been actually before Miss Marvel also I had been speaking about the misrepresentation of Muslims and Pakistanis around the world, और बहुत सारे international platforms पे मैंने ये बात बोली भी. But when Miss Marvel happened, I actually first hand experienced कि how much representation actually matters. क्योंकि पहली बार हम उसमें पाकिस्तान की बात हो रही थी, पार्टीशन की बात हो रही थी, हमारे बिरयानी की, हमारे सी व्यू की, हमारे सदर को दिखाया जा रहा था. तो that is when I realized कि there is a huge audience out there that was very curious and interested in knowing what kind of people are we, and ये भी एक nation है और ये इस तरह है,
and they know about the नानी है, नानी का मतलब grandmother,
इस तरह की values है, इस तरह culture है, ये सब कुछ है. तो it was for me seeing the appetite for our content, our people, and the interest that they showed. मैंने कहा this is what it is. That's the magic of right representation. And I'm so proud to be part of a show that actually not just for me as an actor, as an artist, but also as a Pakistani and a Muslim, जिस तरह से हमें portray किया गया है. I am so proud of the producers for taking that bold step. And since then, I have been trying to do stuff which is along the lines, and where representation is done right. I hope I am able to achieve that.
You will, inshallah. But I really want to see you in Hollywood, to be very honest, to achieve more amazing roles and do amazing superhero. We manifested a superhero that we want her. आज हम और बच्चे ने किया जो अच्छी बात है, manifestation उनकी बड़ी authentic होती है. If you're talking about our industry also, do you feel by any chance that apart from all your successes, like I think your career, हमें लगता है कि आप 20-25 साल से काम कर रही हैं, but actually में हम अभी बात करें तो then we realize it's like 11-12 years to your career, right? So it's not like the time period that we think कि 20 साल हो गए महविश को काम करते हैं.
For some reason ऐसा लगता है लोगों को कि I've been working forever. मैंने बहुत कम काम किया है और बहुत सिलेक्टेड काम किया है, साल में एक प्रोजेक्ट किया है, तो उस हिसाब से आप गिन सकते हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स मेरे. बट माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ऑल माय प्रोजेक्ट्स डिड सो वेल कि आई थिंक वो एक इम्प्रिंट छोड़ दिया है लोगों के जहन में कि यार ओके मान गए. वो शुरू में ही मेरा जो है ना वो क्राफ्ट को लोगों ने पसंद भी किया और मान लिया. तो आई थिंक दैट रियली हेल्प्ड एंड देयर इज सो मच मोर आई वांट टू डू. आई मीन आई फील लाइक लिटरली लाइक
sky is the limit. Maybe, but which I was coming to the question is that in our industry, if we see back and forth also, do you think कि आपको, do you have any regrets from the industry itself कि industry ने आपको वो value या वो opportunities नहीं दी जो आप deserve करते हो, or is it a complete opposite?
No, I have no regrets and जो भी काम मैंने किया है that was my choice. जो काम नहीं किया that was also my choice. So no regrets at all. And if anything, I think producers and people who are doing projects, अच्छे कोई भी challenging role होता है, कोई भी ऐसा role होता है जिसमें performance का margin है, जिसमें ये वो, they actually want to cast me, which is a great thing for an actor.
Yeah.
But then again, I have to see कि मुझे क्या चीज़ challenge करती है. एक शिकायत शायद मुझे हो जो मैं कह सकती हूँ कि है वो ये कि there are not many women-led stories that we see in cinema or on TV as well. Like Diane was one drama which was all about this character, and she's the hero of the story. तो इस तरह के बहुत कम होते हैं, इसीलिए शायद मैं कम काम करती हूँ. Because I want to set an example. I want the girls who look up to me to take inspiration from me. And हमारे यहाँ क्यों पुलिस वाली एक की कहानी क्यों नहीं होनी चाहिए, एक लड़की की, डॉक्टर की कहानी क्यों नहीं है, फीमेल डॉक्टर की. इस तरह के बहुत सारे हैं, ऑफिसर्स हैं, कितने सारे ऐसे फील्ड्स में औरतें थ्राइव कर रही हैं हमारी, but we don't tell those stories, so
we tend to miss those. I agree. अच्छा Mahwish, if you're talking about like 20 years from now, when people अगर आप लोग बात करें और महविश याद का नाम आए, so महविश याद किस चीज़ों की वजह से जाननी आप चाहते हो कि वो जानी जाए, कि लोग क्या बात करें कि महविश was an amazing actor, महविश was an amazing humanitarian, महविश was an amazing philanthropist, या entrepreneur, producer, जो भी आप, what do you
I think prefer? I will be very much even 20 years later from now, inshallah, I will be doing something related to the same field, or maybe I would have gone on to do something else. But that's a very good question actually. I never thought about it. लेकिन मुझे ही लगता है कि for me, if I am able to change even a single life through what I or my work I have done, I think that is, my job is done there. So, and if 20 years later I still inspire people and girls and boys to learn something or change something about them in a positive way, I think that's all I would want, because हमारे profession की beauty है कि even after we are long gone, the work is there. It's going to be in archives forever. हमारा वो कहते हैं आप अमर हो जाते हो, तो ये industry अमर हो जाती है आपकी, because your start and your end is all on tape. On tape. तो वो चीज़ कभी भी नहीं खत्म होगी. I hope I am able to create a legacy. I hope I am able to create an impact that is not just entertainment based, but also something that moves people and, you know, gives them something. You know. As long as that is happening, I will be very happy.
What makes you happy? Say मेरा सवाल है दूसरा. What makes you happy? What is that?
My work.
Okay, work.
I am the happiest when I'm on set.
I have experienced that. वैसे this is the second time you're shooting, and first time was also a cover. This time is also a cover, and I've seen her from the start of the day till the late hours that we wind up. She is the same. She doesn't change. She doesn't complain. She doesn't say कि अच्छा मुझे गर्मी लग रही है, सर्दी लग रही है, ये बंदा नहीं अच्छा लगता, इसको हटाओ, ये करो. कि ऐसे मसले हमें अमूमन face करने पड़ते हैं, but this is a compliment on camera. I really want to give you that you are an amazing muse.
Thank you.
I loved working with you, and I think this is why we always come